What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we're finally moving on with the XR80. I think we have all the parts in. Today's video we're going to do just a tire install. I did it one on the rear already. It was pretty difficult. I'm gonna run you through this one. Maybe I can help. Maybe you can laugh at what I'm doing. So let's get going. Alright, first thing we did, can't really see it, the rim tape strip on. Next, I'm going to lube this tire up a little bit. People use soap and whatever. I don't have any soap, so I'm going to spray on some tire shine. And I'll spread that around. And I'll do a little bit on the other side. Or a lot. Alright, once we get that, we're going to go ahead and press one side over the rim. So, I don't know why I just did that. But, get this one in. I'm not gonna lie, I did the back wheel earlier. This one's about 100 times easier. And would have been more comical to see on film. But, so we got the first side. Next, excuse me. We're gonna go ahead and grab our tube. And we're going to take the cap off and the top nut off. Set that on the custom stand. And we'll find the hole. There's the hole there. And we'll go ahead. We're going to pump this up a little bit real quick. Not a ton, even that's a little too much, so we'll let that out. Once you get that let out, we're going to tuck it in the tire. So we'll make a pocket, something like that, all the way around. Stuff the tube in, and we'll press it over the rim. So we'll make sure we get this one in first. And I'm going to put this valve right in the valve stem right in the hole. Just like that. I'm going to put the nut on. Maybe. There we go. Alright, then we're just going to stuff the rest of the tube into the tire. Once we get it stuffed in the tire, then we'll stuff it over the rim wall. Just like that. So now the tube's in the rim, and we're going to get the tire the rest of the way on the rim. Picked up these fancy little tools, $10. And one of these guys, saw these, I want to see how it worked. And it worked decently well on the back tire. but you gotta do a little prep work for it. So you just take your tire spoon Scoop your tire back quick, and then you hook one of your beads, and you tuck it in the tire like that. Boom, done. Now it won't slide or move while you're tucking it in. So the key to this is take small chunks at a time. Don't try to go from here all the way over to here. It won't work. So we'll go ahead and go an inch or two at a time. Take your hook side, hook it on the rim. This is 100 times easier than the rear tire. That's probably a little bit too big of a bite. We'll go a little smaller. We'll just go all the way around. Came with 3, but it looks like this one's only going to need 2. I'll tell you what, this is insanely easy compared to the rear tire. I should have put that on video. I don't think I could have made it through that whole video without any choice words. Alright, so towards the end is where it gets a little tougher. Maybe we'll use the 3rd one, or need the 3rd one. And we'll take smaller cuts now. So we'll come in, we'll hook, pull it over, we'll come get our 3rd guy. Get him hooked in there. And just hold one end down while you pull the spoons over. And you just keep going around and around. The hardest part, I think, is when you get towards the end and the spoons are tough to get in. What you can do, instead of using the hook end on the rim, if you can't get it in there, you can get it in this way. It'll still bring it over. A few log trucks. But you can still bring it over. Let's get these 2 back over. I'm going to hold it. Excuse my foot. Still works to pull it over. Just takes a little more finesse. So we'll do the same thing here. Keep our hook up instead of around the rim. And we'll just pry it over. Carefully. Once you get all the way towards the end, you should be able to pop that baby on. Then all you do from here, get this guy off. All you're going to do now is just check to make sure your tube's inside the tire. There's a little piece sticking out there. So I use the smooth spoon to kind of shove it in there. And be careful not to pop the tube. I did that once on the back tire. Good thing I came over 2. So that side looks good. And we'll check this side all the way around. Then all we're going to do is blow it up until the bead pops into the rim. And then we'll deflate it down to, I think we're going to run 15, 20. Alright. Once we get that popped into place, we'll go ahead and air it down. Probably a little low, but it'll be alright there. Cap on. Alright, that's about it. That was super painless and easy. I wish I would have filmed the back tire because that was brutal actually. I even popped the tube like I said. But we got it on, and the back one's on too. So it looks like all we have left to do is get the tires on the bike and all of our cables on and hooked up, and I think we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys.